Okay, so here's a look at this Core 2 Quad Q8400 system in the Antec 200 case. Got the two USB ports, power, reset, headphone and microphone. This is a Sony, I believe it's 24 times DVD burner. The front of this case has a really cool feature. That's the eject button, and you can eject into a hard drive that you put in here. Any normal 3.5-inch hard drive, you can just slide in there and use it for backup. And behind this front, you can put two 120mm fans. I put one in, and it does plenty for cooling this system. So there's a look at the front. On the top, it's got a 140mm fan, and there's the rest of the top. It's just got the fan on it there. On the side, it does have a spot for a 120mm fan, and then the rest of it's just plain. So on the back of the case, it actually has a fan controller for the rear fan and the top fan. There's a high and low speed position. And there's the rear I/O shield plate. You can see that there are plenty of USB ports and LAN ports, FireWire ports, SPDIF, everything you could ever ask for is on this motherboard. It's one of the best motherboards made in the past few years, in my opinion. Best P45 boards. It does have two DVIs. It's got a NVIDIA 9500 GT. This will come with it in case you have a VGA monitor. And then your power supply is down here, which has a switch. It's a OCZ 500 watt power supply. So here's a quick look inside. There's a look at the OCZ power supply. It's mostly modular. You have your 8-pin motherboard and 24-pin motherboard leads that come off that aren't modular. It's got 4 gigabytes, two 2 gigabyte sticks of G.Skill 1066, and Arctic Cooling Freezer 7 Pro, and as you can see right there, a Western Digital 500 gigabyte black hard drive with 32 megabytes of cache. So it's a very, very nice system. I thought I'd get this HD video of it, and maybe it'll get somebody excited enough to take it off my hands. Okay, and here's just an all-around look at it. Again, it's an Antec 200 case. It's got a Gigabyte EP45-UD3P motherboard in it. There's the left side panel. It's got a Core 2 Quad Q8400 CPU in it. Fan controller. All the ports you could ever ask for. 2 DVIs, you can run dual monitors, and a great power supply. So there's another look at it from the back.